How to change your Facebook profile picture without losing likes on Android. This tutorial shows you how to reuse an old photo so your likes stay intact. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device and tap on your profile icon at the top right to go to your profile. After that, instead of tapping your full profile picture, look for the small camera icon at the bottom corner of your profile circle and tap on that. From there, you'll see different categories at the top: camera roll, suggested photos, and uploads. Right here, tap on the Uploads tab to see all the photos you've previously used on Facebook. Next up, find the photo you want to switch back to and tap on it. Moving on, you'll see an option to Share Update to Feed. If you don't want to notify everyone about the change, go ahead and uncheck that option. Finally, tap Save at the top right to apply the change. Since you're reusing an existing uploaded photo, all the likes on it will be completely preserved. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.